Welcome to MetaMask versus Enjin wallet. Which crypto wallet is better? Links to both wallets are included in the description. In this video, we'll dive into the features, strengths, and ideal users for MetaMask and Enjin wallet to help you determine which best suits your needs. MetaMask is a browser-based wallet with a mobile app option, catering primarily to users engaged with the Ethereum ecosystem, NFTs, and decentralized applications, dApps. It supports Ethereum and EVM-compatible blockchains, providing seamless integration with DeFi platforms, marketplaces, and other Web3 tools. MetaMask offers features like custom token management, direct dApp connectivity, and a built-in swap feature for tokens. It's an excellent choice for crypto enthusiasts and developers needing advanced tools and access to a broad range of dApps. However, as a hot wallet, it demands extra security measures from users, such as safeguarding private keys and seed phrases against phishing attacks. Enjin Wallet, on the other hand, is purpose-built for gaming and NFT enthusiasts. It supports Ethereum, Binance Smart Chain, and a handful of other chains, focusing on in-app management of blockchain-based assets like NFTs and gaming tokens. Enjin is renowned for its intuitive interface and ability to handle Enjin's native ecosystem, making it ideal for gamers who interact with Enjin-powered games and NFTs. It offers features like in-wallet token swaps, staking, and integration with the Enjin marketplace. Additionally, Enjin Wallet includes QR code-based security to streamline transactions while maintaining safety. While it's not as flexible as MetaMask in connecting to third-party dApps, it excels in managing and trading in-game assets and collectibles. Choosing between MetaMask and Enjin Wallet depends on your goals. If your primary interest lies in decentralized finance, interacting with Ethereum dApps, or holding various tokens, MetaMask is your go-to. However, if you're a gamer or NFT enthusiast seeking a wallet tailored to collectibles and gaming ecosystems, Enjin Wallet provides unparalleled ease and functionality. Both wallets are highly capable, but each serves a specific audience. Check out the links in the description to explore them further, and let us know which one you prefer in the comments.